Welcome back. This is the all-new Rapz H2 over-the-ear headphones. Comes in a cool matte black finish and it's sweat and water resistant. Let's check it out. So these are called the H2. They're made by Rapz Audio. These run on Bluetooth 5.0. Have a 10-hour battery playback thanks to the generous 400 milliamp battery it's got. There's no mention of driver sizes anywhere on it, but the drivers are bass focused. Has a single mic. Designed supposed to be very ergonomic and it's foldable as well. They cost about 1.4K. I'll leave links in the description below whenever available. So let me know what you guys think about the packaging. Let's open the box and get the headphones out. As you can see, it comes in a sealed box. And inside, you have the headphones directly. There's no plastics used whatsoever. And you have some accessories which they've given us, along with the manual. So the user manual is very basic. It's just a sheet of paper. It does have some specifications, but then again, I couldn't find the driver size on it. So yeah, it's got some few instructions as to how to pair it. Pretty straightforward. So there is a small micro USB charging cable which is given. It's hardly a feet long. There's also a nice dual-sided 3.5mm jack. This headphone can be used wired or wireless. So in case your battery runs out, you can still use them. Okay, now getting back to the headphones, I just love this finish. So this is the all matte black finish. And it's so much of black there that it is a dust magnet. So even the smallest speck of dust is easily visible on this thing. But this looks of really good quality. So there's a 4-button setup, 2 for track change and 2 for volume control. And the Rapz branding on that. The neckband is sort of flexible. It's got this nice soft padding under it. So at the bottom you have a micro USB charging port. There's a microphone slot over there. There's an LED indicator and the 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's go ahead and turn this on, and you immediately see that the red light and blue light flashes together alternatively to indicate that it's in pairing mode. So the ear cushions are pretty soft. They've provided some accessories, decent manual, and the packaging is not so bad. So what about durability? I mean, this is built of plastic, including those extension arms. So they are adjustable. They do have the click noise, but you know, they're all built of plastic. Good quality plastic. And you know, one of the things that stands out for this headphone is its ability to fold. So I really like the way it looks when it's folded. And with that color, it just stands out. I just wish the packaging was a little more compact. You know, these things would really look so cool, right? And it will even reduce the amount of packaging they need. So the ear muffs or the ear padding is really nice in this. It's not protein leather, but it's got good soft material on it, and they're of decent size. So it should keep you comfortable for, you know, long durations easily. Okay, I'm going to turn this on and pair it with the device. So once it's paired, and if you're not using it, the blue light constantly stays on. And as for the fit, I think it's really nice. It's on par with other headphones in the market. As for how they sound, it's got a single microphone. There's a lot of construction work at the back. So this doesn't have any noise cancellation, but it does eliminate a lot of background noise. The fit is good. It doesn't fall off, as you can see. It's very light. This thing is very light, and I think for the price you pay, thumbs up for it. They sit pretty firm on your head, doesn't fall off easily. I just felt it's slightly small, but it's good. It's got 2 equalizer settings. Music is really focused towards the mid-range. Bass is decent. Highs are just about okay. And for this price, you can't expect much. But the finish is really what makes this stand out. And it's also water resistant to a certain extent. So at 1400 rupees, this is really decent. 10 hours of playback or calls. I think this is a good buy. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's my review of the Rapz H2. Thank you so much for watching this review. Please do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. And do like the video and share it with your friends. See you on the next one. Bye.